Nothing's much-hyped budget lineup is once again in the spotlight. But this time, the Nothing Phone 4a has shown up in the IMEI database under model number A069, dated September 23, 2025. While that confirms its existence, the "No Record Found" note attached to the listing is hardly reassuring. It looks like the brand is gearing up for a 2026 release, but so far, what we've seen doesn't exactly scream innovation. The promise that this model might carry forward the glyph interface feels more like recycling a gimmick than pushing boundaries. Fans may appreciate the quirky design, but at this point, it risks becoming repetitive rather than revolutionary. On the software front, Nothing OS 4.0 on Android 16 is said to be the highlight, offering a clean and minimal look, but even here, the improvements sound more iterative than groundbreaking. AI tools, smoother performance, and refined optimization are nice additions, but that's what every manufacturer is already doing. The hardware rumors tell a similar story. A full HD Plus LTPS AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate is standard in this range now. And Snapdragon 7S Gen 4, or possibly a MediaTek Dimensity variant, suggests competent but hardly standout performance. It feels like Nothing is positioning itself to play catch-up instead of leading the pack. Battery specs are also predictable. A 5,000 mAh unit with 50 watts fast charging. Solid, yes, but no real surprise when competitors are already offering faster charging speeds at similar or lower price points. Cameras have historically been a strength for Nothing, and the rumored triple 50-megapixel setup alongside a 32-megapixel selfie shooter could help them stay competitive. Yet, given how saturated the mid-range market has become, even a strong camera system might not be enough unless Nothing introduces serious improvements in image processing. The A series has always aimed to balance price and features, but the 4A, if leaks are accurate, risks blending into the crowd. It's being pitched as a mid-range device that blurs the line with affordable flagships, but so far, the leaks show more of the same rather than anything truly disruptive. Even the IMEI certification, while confirming the phone's development, doesn't inspire much confidence since it reveals nothing beyond basic existence. As it stands, the Nothing Phone 4a is expected to launch globally in March 2026, likely priced within the competitive mid-range bracket. But unless the company surprises with features beyond the recycled glyph design, routine chipset choices, and predictable specs, the 4a may end up being just another phone fighting for relevance in an overcrowded market, rather than a standout device.